Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beyond the Briefcase. I hope you all are doing well. So recently I have come across various YouTube channels where they do mislead you all people through their thumbnails, and they make you as a bait and you jump to their video and they get views. So that's the first thing I assure you all, that you'll never get those things from me. I never mislead you people. If by chance it happens, do forgive me, because it could happen, because I'm also human as well. So it would be unintentional for sure. So let's begin with our vacancy today. So the first vacancy has come up in Vishakhapatnam Port Authority. They are hiring managers. So this vacancy is for the experienced professionals. Let's be very clear about it. And the first vacancy is corporate legal. So guys, I would suggest that even if I'm mentioning those vacancies for which you need experience, just read about the particular designation, read about the eligibility criteria, so that in future you can prepare for this sort of vacancies. At least you'll get a learning and experience as to how you'll get a roadmap how to prepare for such vacancies. So don't underestimate any information or any knowledge. It would be wise to gain knowledge from everywhere you get opportunity. So this particular vacancy has come up in a port authority, and they are hiring a corporate legal manager. As you can see, chief manager, senior manager, manager. Salary remuneration is very fascinating. 2 lakh rupees, 1 lakh 60, 1 lakh 20. Number of posts, there are 4 posts. Let's see the eligibility criteria. Maximum age limit, you can see chief manager, senior manager, manager, 55 years, 45 years, 40 years respectively. Moving ahead, last date to apply for this particular post is 31st 3/25. I've highlighted this particular part. So 31st is the last date to apply for this particular post. And nowadays it has become a standard procedure. You must be knowing that there are two types of way through which you can apply for any of the posts. First, generally it's online mode, and the second is through courier. So they are given the address, there you need to fill all the application form and annexures, and you need to post, and they should receive your post before 31st. So, talking about the terms and conditions, term of engagement, it's a contractual basis job. That's not a permanent job. You guys must be seeing nowadays. It has become a trend that like 80 to 70% companies, they are coming with a contractual basis job. So you'll have to be very punctual. You'll have to very careful about the terms and conditions before you sign up for any job. So it's they have mentioned annual increment 5%, and how to leave, how to take leave, TDAD, and all those things you can read, and other conditions as well. I don't think so that it's a basic details you can read. And this is an exit 3 selection process. 90% weightage for educational qualification, experience 10% weightage for interview. They would be calling 3 students for per post, 1:3 ratio. So if there is a one seat, 3 people would be called. If there are two posts, 6 people would be called for the interview. Now, the most important thing, eligibility criteria. So we'll be focusing on the legal field, corporate legal, yeah. So for chief manager, you should have a degree from a recognized college. Desirable if you have a master degree. Guys, again, I am emphasizing on that particular point, that please do your masters. It will definitely help you, because nowadays you must be, if you're following my videos, then I do mention it in every video of mine, that please pursue your LLM once you graduate from your college, because LLM helps you a lot to grab a opportunity and to you know get a job as well. Again, see, their desirable candidate would be who's having master's degree. Essential practice, 15 years of experience, direct, no doubt about it. So you should have 15 years of experience in order to apply for chief manager. Senior manager, 10 years of experience, again master's degree, desirable. Essential is just a degree, but you should have 10 years of experience. 5 years of experience for manager. So if you have 5 years of experience, then you should apply for this particular job. So that's it, the basic details I mentioned. And this is an extra form which you need to fill up and you need to send to the authority. So moving ahead to the next vacancy. Abhyuday Cooperative Bank Limited. They are recruiting general manager, deputy general manager in the legal and recovery department, Mumbai. There is one post. Qualification: bachelor's degree from government recognized university. Preferred qualification: CA, and degree in law. Experience: minimum 15 years of experience in the legal avenues, reputed cooperative bank, nationalized NBFC, and all those things. Age: below 55 years of provision period of 1 year, and duties and responsibilities you can read. It's basic thing. So even if you don't have 15 years of experience, you can read here. So your approach should be, you should directly come to the duties and responsibilities part. Now what you should do is just read the 9 points which they have mentioned, and you should start studying all those acts which they have listed, and try to go to the court and try to practice in all those fields if it's your interest area. And ultimately you'll get a lot of experience, and one day surely you can apply for this particular job. So that's my point, that please do not underestimate any job opportunity or any knowledge you are getting from anywhere. So next, moving ahead, with the again the same bank. Now it's a different post, chief major manager. For this, they're seeking 5 to 7 years of experience. So in between, if you have 5 to 6 years of experience, then surely you can apply for this particular job. Due legal department and mortgage department, you can see the details which they have listed here. Moving ahead, so credit wise capital, this is your official website. I am showing it for your reference. In the legal department, they have post in they have three vacancies in head of, as a head of legal and compliance department Mumbai, company secretary legal Mumbai, and legal manager legal Bihar. So let's move ahead. So for head of legal and compliance, direct, it's the thing they have mentioned that you should have 10 years of experience in legal and compliance roles, preferably in NBFC, fintech, and financial services. So if you have 10 plus of your years of experience, then you should apply for this particular job. Moving ahead, company secretary in legal department, 5 plus years of experience. If you have that, then do you just need to click on this particular apply button, and you can apply for this particular job. Next, legal manager Bihar, location would be Bihar if you get this job. So if you have 3 plus years of experience, then you can apply for this particular job. Now moving ahead, WDRA, Warehousing Development Regulatory Authority, Government of India, New Delhi. So they have published a vacancy. There is one post, level 7. Here you can see assistant enforcement and legal. Now, guys, let me tell you something, that this particular recruitment is on deputation basis or absorption basis. So basically, it means that you should have experience of working in this particular organization, and currently you should be working in this particular organization. And among those employees, they will promote any one employee, and they'll get this particular job. So it's not the direct recruitment. So please make sure. Uh, there is a lot of difference between deputation and deputation absorption and direct recruitment. So in direct recruitment, you give preliminary examination, means examination, then interview. But deputation, that simply that you'll write any departmental examination, and if you satisfy the criteria, you'll get the job. You will be get promoted. That's it. Just let's see what experience they are seeking, so that you'll get an idea as to how to pursue for this particular job in future. So yeah, it's a Group B job. Officers of central state government will be 3 years of experience, guys. So it's a very minimum as compared to other vacancies. So if you have 3 years of experience, do apply for this particular job. You just need to go to the official website of this particular organization, and you can apply for from there. Next job, it's the same WDRA, and now again this is on the basis of deputation and absorption basis. It's not a direct recruitment. Let's see what experience they are seeing. It's for the deputy director legal, level 11, and there's one we can see. Just now we saw that they are asking 3 years for that manager, and let's see For this deputy director, they are asking 5 year experience as regular basis job in level 10. And you can see here, so yeah, it's 5 years, 5 years of experience. If you have that 5 years of experience, then you can surely apply for this particular job. So do share with your friends, don't get demotivated. I created this video on various vacancies just to provide you the knowledge, because I don't think so, I never saw a video in which people telling me or their audience that why you should check all the vacancies, even they are seeking experienced candidates. So do check it properly, do check my video properly, and do like and subscribe, share with your friends. And it motivates me a lot to come up with various videos, and I just love to help you out. So stay tuned for more videos and take care. Goodbye.